Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a product that's been getting quite a bit of buzz, Simple Scoop. It claims to be an all-in-one pool treatment that takes the hassle out of maintenance by combining several chemicals into one simple scoop. According to the brand, it handles algaecide, clarifiers, oxidizers, pH, and alkalinity balancers, all in one. If you're a new pool owner or just tired of managing a cabinet full of different chemicals, this might sound like a dream. But is it really as effective as it claims to be? Some users have had good things to say. A few reviewers mentioned that Simple Scoop helped cut down their routine significantly. Instead of juggling 5 or 6 products, they only had to worry about chlorine and water balancers. One user even said their water stayed clearer and required fewer weekly adjustments. Others liked that it came with helpful resources like a pool maintenance calculator and instructions, making things easier, especially for beginners. So yes, there are people who say it works, and for them, it may have made pool care more manageable. But there's another side to the story. Many experienced pool owners and experts are raising red flags. They compare Simple Scoop to other miracle products like Easy Pool, which also promised convenience but ended up causing long-term issues. Some users felt misled, thinking this product could replace chlorine entirely, which it absolutely cannot. Simple Scoop is not a sanitizer. It still needs to be used with chlorine, and misunderstanding that can lead to serious pool problems. There are also concerns about the ingredients. While the brand isn't fully transparent, many believe it contains copper sulfate, aluminum compounds, ammonium chloride, and potassium peroxymonosulfate. These can cause issues like staining, cloudy water, and chemical imbalances. For pool owners who prefer to know exactly what they're adding to their water, this lack of clarity is a problem. And in some cases, these ingredients might even mask deeper issues like algae or poor water circulation instead of actually solving them. A few users even said they ran into more problems after using Simple Scoop, and once they stopped and switched to traditional pool care methods, like the Trouble-Free Pool TFP approach, their water quality improved dramatically. So while Simple Scoop might offer some convenience, it comes with risks. If you want reliable results, it's still best to stick with basics like liquid chlorine, muriatic acid, baking soda, and a good test kit.